One camera, two camera, three camera, four cameras. Sometimes that's what you need to keep your house nice, safe, and secure. So let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the COOAU F5 home security system. This is a 4 megapixel camera system right here with the home base and 4 cameras that are solar powered. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to take a look at this COOAU F5 home security system right here. Packaging on it looks super nice. 4 megapixel UHD. Got everything you need right there. That's the sides, here's the back. Everything looks good. Wow. Okay, let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is the quick start guide right here. It's got all the information about the app and getting that set up, just details on the camera, and it comes in multiple different languages, so nothing to fear. We got a warranty activation card, super nice. We got a couple of USB-A to USB-C cables right here, as well as a charging brick, so just ways to charge the cameras up when they're not solar powered. We have an Ethernet cable here for the home base to plug it into your modem or router. Speaking of the home base, this is what it looks like. Very nice. Lets you know which ones are set up and plugged in. Very simple on the back, USB-C power. We got a little card right here so you can put extra memory in it, and we got the Ethernet cable. Looks super simple to use, very nice. We've got the solar panel right here, and this looks like it is USB-C, so you'll be able to run that into the camera. And right there is the panel. It looks very good. Do keep in mind that 4 of these solar panels are included for all 4 cameras. We have everything you're going to need to mount the cameras and also mount the solar panels. And when I say everything, I mean everything. Look at that. Every panel you need right there. So every solar panel, every camera, they all have their mounting stuff and screws included. And speaking of mounting things, you probably want to mount the camera. So this is what they look like. This thing feels really nice. Looks like we got a speaker on the back. Wow, so nice. Oh wow, we got a little sticker here too. Peel that off. You're welcome. On the back we have part of the mounting system. We also have the ports right here. So inside of this will be the USB-C plug. What? Cool. And just so you can see what you're getting, yes, you're getting 4 cameras. Well, let's go ahead and get this set up and try it out. This is the COOAU F5 home security system. 4 megapixel security camera and a 4 cam kit. 4 megapixel of ultra HD image featuring a 2.5K ultra clear resolution and color night vision. These security cameras' wireless outdoor use are designed for homes demanding crystal clear visual. Should an intruder enter your yard, garage, or other areas, the outdoor camera will instantly alert you and provide evidence-grade video footage. Advanced BC solar panels outperform standard panels with 30% faster charging and triples power generation duration, enabling this solar camera outdoor wireless system to operate continuously even on cloudy days. Paired with high-capacity batteries, it delivers non-stop surveillance, so you can enjoy the ultimate set and forget security with easy installation on your roof, fence, or yard. No monthly fees with the base station, so this security system stores all recordings in the base station's 64 gigabyte expandable storage space. The solar outdoor camera and base station are paired via an encrypted connection, so your video remains safe on the base station even if the outdoor camera is tampered with. And you can still do playback footage to identify the intruder. Offline backup cache. When the base station loses network connectivity, the outdoor camera continues monitoring and recording, backing up content to the base station. Once the base station reconnects to the network, you can access recordings captured during the offline period, but keep in mind it does require Wi-Fi to use the system. Dual band whole home coverage with its 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi base station, this surveillance system provides far superior coverage and faster speeds than basic single band kits. It ensures a rock solid connection for every outdoor camera wireless, enabling seamless streaming and quick playback, no matter if they're monitoring the driveway, garden, or garage. And with their professional customer service, COOAU provides a 2-year warranty and 24-hour fast email response. If you have any questions after purchasing, you can always contact them via their technical support. You can always contact them for technical support or product replacement. COOAU's done it again, another fantastic product from their line, and I gotta say guys, this thing is awesome. Great job. As you know, we've worked with COOAU in the past, and their products are always so... they're so nice. Great price, tons of features, from birdhouses to security systems. COOAU's got you covered. So we want to do a huge shout out to COOAU for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.